Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, in today's lecture, we will start the objective of chapter 4, Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Let's start with vocabulary. And the A part is, choose the correct meanings of the underlined words. It was so delicate a situation. It was so delicate a situation. Option A, difficult. Option B, easy. Option C, sensitive. And option D, fragile. And the right meaning of delicate is sensitive. Next, number 2. Abu Jahl began to knock at the door violently. Underline word violently का हम लोगों ने meaning find out करना इन 4 options में से. Option A, politely. Option B, slowly. Option C, forcefully. And option D, angrily. And the right meaning of the underlined word is forcefully. Number 3. She simply posed a counter question that infuriated Abu Jahl. We have to find out the meaning of infuriated in these 4 options. Option A, pleased. Option B, helped. Option C, enraged. And option D, annoyingly. And the right meaning of the underlined word is enraged. Next, number 4. She remained steadfast and did not reveal the secret. Option A, patient. Option B, firm and resolute. Option C, ready to face. And option D, prepared for the worst. And the right option is option B, firm and resolute. Next, B part. Consult a dictionary to find the meanings of the following words, phrases and use them in sentences. The first word is mad with anger. And the sentence of this phrase is, his misbehavior made his brother mad with anger. Next, fit of fury. And the sentence of fit of fury is, in a fit of fury, he slapped his son's face. Next, reveal the secret. And the sentence is, the criminal revealed the secret and the other criminals were arrested. Next, resolute. And the sentence is, a true Muslim has a resolute faith in Allah Almighty. Alleviate. And the sentence of alleviate is, the medicine alleviated her pain. Next word is migration. And the sentence is, the preparation for migration of Rasul Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was made at the house of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. Next word, companion. And the sentence is, a good companion is a great blessing of Allah. Next word is refuge. And the sentence is, she took refuge in a cottage. Next, gave away. And the sentence is, the principal gave away the prizes among the students. And the last one is determined. And the sentence is, I am determined to become a doctor. Next is grammar part. Abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of a quality. किसी हासियत का नाम है. Action किसी फेल का और state या फिर किसी हालत का नाम है. Abstract nouns are formed from adjectives, verbs and common nouns. Examples of adjectives are kindness from kind. Word kind क्या है? Adjective and kindness is an abstract noun. Honesty from honest. Honest is the adjective and we form abstract noun honesty from adjective honest. Next, examples of verbs are obedience from obey, movement from move. And the examples of common nouns are childhood from child, slavery from slave. Slave and child are common nouns and we form childhood and slavery by using the common nouns slave and child. She faced every calamity of life with patience and valor. Now look, patience and value are quality. ये क्या है? क्वालिटी है जिसको ना ही छुआ जा सकता है ना ही देखा जा सकता है, जस्ट फील किया जा सकता है. ठीक है? So patience and value are quality. Next, B part. Form abstract nouns from the following adjectives and verbs. Use these nouns in sentences of your own. Courageous. Courageous is adjective and the abstract noun of courageous is courage. And the sentence is, he is regarded for his courageousness. Next, empty is adjective as well as verb. An abstract noun of empty is emptiness. And the sentence is, the voice of vessel shows its emptiness. Difficult is adjective and the abstract noun of difficult is difficulty. And the sentence is he helps me to solve my difficulties. Next, generous is adjective and the abstract noun of generous is generosity. And the sentence of generosity is she is well known for her generosity. Next, resolute is also adjective and the abstract noun of resolute is resolution. And the sentence of resolution is his strong resolution shows that he would succeed. And the last, suffer is verb and the abstract noun of suffer is suffering. And the sentence of suffering is seek help from Allah in your sufferings. Next C part, put articles where required. इन sentences में हम लोगों ने article the का use करना है. Trees are grown on either sides of the canal. Her courage and patience are exemplary. Kindness and tolerance are the noble deeds. The higher you go, the cooler it is. He is the tallest boy in the class. The dog is faithful animal. Indus is the largest river in Pakistan. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Alize is the most intelligent girl in school. Where are the books which I bought a week ago? Next, use of preposition. Preposition of preposition in हम लोग किसके साथ यूज करेंगे? We use preposition in with months. Example, in June, in September. Months के साथ हम लोग in use करेंगे. Years के साथ हम लोग in use करेंगे. Like in 2011, in 1999. We use preposition in with seasons. Like in winter, in the summer of 2011. Next, with part of the day, like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Next, with the durations, in a second, in 2 weeks. Next, we use preposition at with part of the day, like at night, at noon, at midnight. With time of day, at 8 o'clock, at midnight. With celebrations, at Eid. With fixed phrases, at the same time. Next, we use preposition of time on with days of the week, like on Sunday, on Friday, on Monday. With date, like on the 20th of August, with special holidays, on the Iqbal Day, on my birthday, and last, with a special part of a day, on the morning of October the 11th. Next E part, filling the blanks with the suitable prepositions given below. And the first one is, the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated from Makkah to Medina in year 622 AD. And the right option is B. Next, number 2, Abu Jahl, in a fit of fury, headed towards Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq's home. And the right option is C. Number 3, he began knocking at the door violently, and A is the right option. Number 4, at this she instantly ran to a corner of the home, and C is the right option. She has resolute faith in Allah Almighty, and B is the right option. She gave away all the money to the poor and the needy, and D is the right option. Number 7, her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us, and B is the right option. Next F part, filling the blanks with preposition of time. Ali is arriving on January 26 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. हमने पीछे चार्ट में देखा, we use on with date like January 26, and we use preposition at with time of the day, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Number 2, Saqib is leaving on Friday at noon. We use preposition on with days. Next, Ashar worked for his law firm in 1995. I met Shaheen at 9 a.m. The doctor will see Alize in the morning. Sobia has her birthday on September 11. We will have vacation in summer. Students, I hope that the whole objective will be clear to you. Okay students, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.